Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jollof stew using an easy method. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, like ripe tomatoes, vibrant bell peppers, and sweet onions. Then, we'll prepare our aromatic spices, including fresh ginger, pungent garlic, and a kick of Scotch bonnet peppers. Finally, ensure you have your cooking oil, rich tomato paste, and essential seasonings ready to create that perfect stew base. This simple preparation sets us up for success. Now, let's create the heart of our jollof stew, the blended base. Combine your fresh, ripe tomatoes, bright red bell peppers, sweet onions, and those fiery Scotch bonnets in a blender. Process them until you achieve a wonderfully smooth consistency. This vibrant mixture is absolutely crucial, forming the essential flavor foundation for your entire stew. Remember, aim for a thick blend, not too watery, as this will ensure a rich and robust taste in your final dish. With our base ready, it's time to start cooking. Begin by sautéing your finely chopped onions in about a quarter cup of cooking oil until they become beautifully translucent and fragrant. Next, add your rich tomato paste and cook it down for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring constantly to prevent burning and deepen its flavor. Finally, pour in your vibrant blended mixture and let it simmer gently for at least 25 minutes. This slow cooking allows all those amazing flavors to meld together perfectly. To achieve that truly rich and authentic jollof flavor, we'll now season our stew. Add a generous amount of curry powder, a sprinkle of dried thyme, a few bay leaves, and a good pinch of salt to taste. Continue to let the stew cook down slowly until you notice the oil separating and beautifully floating to the top. This visual cue is your signal that the stew is perfectly cooked, deeply flavorful, and ready to be combined with your rice for an unforgettable jollof experience. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.